Hey everybody, some big news in the patent world today. The federal government is threatening to take away the patents at Harvard University, invoking the Bayh-Dole Act's move-in privileges to take control of or license to third parties patents that have been federally funded. Hi everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. We're going to break down this current topic and what it might mean to you, the individual inventor, business owner, entrepreneur, bringing out innovation in the world, and what this major issue, how it might affect you. So let's take a look at this from a high level. In the U.S. Department of Commerce, so they can threaten to take back ownership of patents that were sort of born of federally funded patents. So they provide funding. University like Harvard, if they don't comply with the rules that at least the federal government perceives them to be, they can claim ownership of those patents back or license those out to third parties other than the university to commercialize those inventions. Harvard apparently is not meeting the obligations under what's called the Bayh-Dole Act, which is from the 1980s. That law lets universities and others that get federal funding kind of governs how they can conduct business. And the government has what they call their march-in rights, which is a rare power, hardly ever used, to license out those patents that were born of the federal funding. So why does this matter to you, the individual inventor? Well, I'd say anytime you're receiving or might receive federal funding or working with universities, the Bayh-Dole rule applies. And so making sure that you understand how quickly you need to disclose your invention, how to commercialize your invention, and when the government can step in. Now, typically those three things and others are governed under the Technology Transfer Office at the university. And the researchers and the university is very familiar with how this works to make sure they stay in compliance. So it's a tricky situation. I mean, even Harvard's legal team is having trouble right now grappling with what to do. So smaller inventors should definitely be careful before receiving or accepting federal funded money. So the bigger picture here is that, aside from politics, the government can and will exercise march-in rights if they think the public is not benefiting from the federal funding that they've been giving. And so they might open up patents to third parties to commercialize other than the university. And it could really jeopardize what the university's been doing. I mean, Harvard's doing some really groundbreaking work in biotech, health science, technology, and you name it, lots of different industries. And so let's see how this plays out. We'll do a follow-up video to see just how Harvard University reacts to this threat to use in the move-in rights. Here at Bold Patents, we stand strong to help inventors file really bulletproof patents, making sure those rights are protected, stay compliant with the federal rules, and helping protect inventors from unexpected challenges. So get hold of us if you're new to invention, you want to make sure you're aware of all this that can happen after you receive funding. Bold Patents stands ready to help you with a free discovery call. Hop online to boldpatents.com and get started today. So let's take a break. I'm JD Houvener. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.